75 years of automotive perfection is getting a makeover. Fresh from decades of perilous finances and faltering sales, and armed with a new owner, one of the world's most iconic brands is taking its best shot. A new design aimed at putting Jaguar back on top of the luxury car world. The Jaguar XJ, a car that's designed to fly.
It's the most aerodynamic Jaguar we've ever produced in the history of Jaguar.
An aerospace-inspired aluminium body, bonded with over 3,000 rivets, 150 meters of adhesive, and award-winning credentials.
It's a beautiful car. That's all I can say, it's just a beautiful car.
The next 75 years starts now, inside the Jaguar Mega Factory. Adam Hatton creates the exterior theme, but he doesn't know how the new XJ will drive from a drawing alone. Putting this theory into practice turns engineers into computer gamers. Jaguar's virtual cave is the most advanced automotive 3D facility in the world. To us, it looks like a 2D image, but the multi-screen layout and the weird space-age 3D glasses allows virtual reality manager Brian Waterfield to explore the XJ from every angle.
From day one, as soon as the designers had an understanding of how the car is supposed to look, they came down here, they looked at it in the 3D world, they sat inside the car, understood the proportions, and then from that point we started to design in the feasibility, also at the engineering. So from day one all the way to production, this has been a part of the overall process.
Here, designers and engineers experience their creation for the very first time.
Well, now I'm sitting inside the driver's seat and we have a little world running around the background. This is the first chance you get of actually feeling like you're driving this vehicle. And this particular setup allows us to do reach studies, so I can reach out to certain areas of the vehicle to see if everything is in line with the driver. It also allows me to see vision angles through the different posts, so through the A posts, looking out through the window.
They even get into the guts of the machine.
So if I lift the car upside down, so we look a little bit at some of the powertrain that's in there. If we were trying to do different engines, we could pick up different parts of that engine. So we could pick parts off, strip the engine, understand how that goes together, or we can actually go up a level and take all of the powertrain out in one.
It's a place for reflection.
A lot of our designers will come down here and just want to be alone with the vehicle. They'll have the exterior on, they'll put the glasses on, they can be in here with the curtains shut, just to get a feel how it feels to them, because they're the designers, they're coming up with the inspiration, the ideas. They just want to make sure that they are getting things right.
Before this car can leave the factory, every system has to be checked.
Now I'm turning the ignition on to check for the key learn, which is to program the keys for the car. It's testing all the electrics, everything from the keys to the lights to the mirrors, the lights in the sun visors here, the glass, the door locks, more or less everything we're testing on the car electrically.
It takes around 20 minutes to finish the tests.
That's a test done now, we just wait for the results to come up there, whether it's a pass or a fail.
It passed this test, but there is one more before exiting the building. Lights, horn, wipers, exit. Even the classic cat has wrapped its claws around the future.
If you come round the back, you'll see what we affectionately call the cat's claw graphic, because we try and make the car look visually exciting at night as well, so you wouldn't think it's any other car other than an XJ.
After 4 years of design, prototypes, testing and production, the familiar Jaguar grille leads the way out of the factory.